Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Nissan Altima. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone, then power the Altima infotainment system and open Bluetooth settings. Choose Add Device or Pair New Device on the car screen, then select your phone from the list. Confirm the numeric PIN matches on both screens and accept any permission prompts for contacts and messages to complete pairing and testing. In this video, I will explain how to troubleshoot pairing issues while connecting your phone to a Nissan Altima. If pairing fails, restart both phone and car system and retry the pairing sequence. Check for software updates on your phone and the infotainment unit, and remove any previously paired devices that might interfere. Try a manual search from the car, and verify Bluetooth permissions for contacts, messages, and audio are granted on your phone. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation that fits any car setup. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings compact sound and voice control that can make hands-free listening and directions more convenient when you're prepping for a drive. It's a handy complement to your Altima's audio system and works well when stepping out of the car for quick voice notes. If you want the link and deals, check the description, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you set up audio and calls after pairing your phone with a Nissan Altima. After successful pairing, set the phone audio profile to allow media and calls, then select Bluetooth audio as the car source for music. Make a test outgoing call and have someone call you to confirm microphone and speaker levels. If voice quality is poor, lower media volume and adjust call volume independently on the infotainment screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.